Okay, welcome back everybody. We're going to be doing a review on this blower today. This is another one from Litheli. I think I just posted the one with the lawnmower, which was really pretty neat. And now we're going to do the review on the blower. This is a 2 times 20 volt blower, and I can't quite figure out if that means 40 or if that just means a lot of 20. It depends on the way you wire it. But we're going to test it and we'll see if we can come to that conclusion. Now this is the outer box that it came shipped in, and I already see, just like the lawnmower, I looked in here a little bit, it is going to be a box in a box. So let's go ahead and get that out of there. Okay, we got it out of the box, and this is our first look at it. It looks pretty futuristic. That is really unique. And as you can see, you know, you got 2 of those batteries that we put in the lawnmower, the same batteries, just 2 of them. And now here's some of the statistics. Airspeed 112 miles per hour. CFM is 560, and it is brushless. And so the only other thing I can think of is to open this box and take it all out. Here's just a quick look at how it comes packaged before I pull it all out. You were wondering if it was packed well. Alright, moving on. Alrighty, here's everything out of the box. My first impression is it's bigger than I thought it was going to be, which is also very good. I think it was saying 3-inch diameter, 3.2 inch. I lost track. Hopefully I'm putting it on the screen. And this is it. You got an instruction manual, a front and back piece. Assembly looks pretty easy. And then over here you've got the 2 batteries. Now what y'all might be thinking is, where is the charger? Well, here's the deal on these. This is pretty neat. It's the same with the lawnmower. They charge by USB. So you got these 2 cables right here and here, and find a USB jack anywhere, because we got USB jacks everywhere these days, and just plug it in. I'll show you. Okay, so this is how I got it set up. This is kind of our charging area. This is our power strip up here for plugging everything into, and fortunately it does have a bunch of USBs that you can plug into. And so I plugged those cables into the USB on that side and into the new batteries on that side. It's just the USB-C right there, and the one in the back is the one from the lawnmower, and the 2 in the front are the new ones that just came with the blower, and I'll show you about where they are on the charging. See, okay, so that one, hopefully you can see there, that one has about 2 bars to go, and this one shipped with about 1 bar to go. Now these are definitely overnight charging. Each bar takes over an hour, so don't think that you can charge these up quickly. It's definitely an overnight charge. So the 1 bar is going to take about an hour, hour and a half. The other one is going to take 2 or 3 hours. But they'll be ready in the morning, and that's when I'll plug them in and we'll go try it out. Okay, so now we have the batteries in the blower and we're about to demonstrate it, but I wanted to start by showing how they come out. Okay, let me try to hold it from over here. And there's a button back here, and when you press that button, let's see if I can do this with one hand. Press that button, yeah, they both pop out. See that? So then you can take them out. Let me take these out. And well, here comes a car. Okay, and so hopefully you can see the 2 circular connectors there, and you look down in there, you just have to line it up. You can see that one side is one way and the other side is the other way, meaning that you don't put them both in the same way. So you got to line those up the right way or they won't go in. So they're opposite of each other. And there you have it. Now they're both in there, and so I can show you the controls on the front here. So what you got there is a dial for slow and fast. I think this is all the way slow. And then all the way fast. Then you have a turbo button in the middle here. I also want to point out that you can turn this dial while it's on. But of course, we'll have it all the way up for our demonstration. And we will probably be turning the turbo on and off, so listen for it. I'll get set up and we'll go try this out for the first time. Okay, so it did really good. It's actually really strong just on the regular level, but then when you turn on the turbo mode, and I don't think they're calling it a turbo mode, but the high power mode, the button in the middle, it really blows hard. So blowing in the crack there, so like on normal speed you have to get up right up next to it, but if you have the turbo button on, it, and I keep calling it a turbo button, but it is called max speed. button. So when you press the max speed button, it blows everything out of the crack there. And hopefully that showed up on the other camera, because that was the intention of doing that. Speaking of which, if it looked awkward for me to be running it, it's because I had a camera on it. So I basically blocked my... It would have a really good grip if I didn't have this camera on it. And so if it looked awkward, trust me, it's not awkward. Anyway, let me take this back to the garage and wrap this up. Okay, so I decided to put it with the lawnmower for the final scene as I wrap it up, give you my final thoughts on this thing. Now, I have been reviewing a lot of blowers lately, and I've got to say this is right up there with the top 2 strongest ones. It is very, very strong. You can believe the CFM that they put on the box. It is definitely that strong. And I'm really happy to have it. I'm actually going to keep this one in the truck with me and, you know, charge these things on USB at night and have it ready for the, you know, just to touch up things. I don't know how long it actually lasts because didn't do the longevity test, but follow my channel and I will probably let you know later on how that is. Now I've got to say, these are the nicest looking pieces of lawn equipment I have. These are really fancy in appearance, and you know, gosh, that's important. Just look at those. You like want to keep them inside somewhere. But anyway, I've got to say I'm very, very impressed with it. This new technology on the batteries is a good idea, I believe. I like the way that's done. And if y'all didn't see the one in the for the lawnmower took a single one right in there. There's a storage compartment and a battery compartment for that. And look for the review on that lawnmower. It's really pretty neat as well. 13-inch lawnmower. Anyway, I will have all the links to go pick one up on the Amazon website and on the Litheli, it's pronounced Litheli website. Either way you want to go check it out. They're reasonably priced and they're definitely really good. So thanks for watching, everybody, and I'll see you in the next video.